offline statistics mode is a new option which allows statistical functions previously available only from the offline menu to be used in a sequence. Today, I'm going to show you how to use SoundCheck's advanced options to run statistics across multiple signal paths within a sequence. This is something new we added in SoundCheck 23, so if you're using an older version, you'll need to upgrade to use this feature. Here, I have a 6-microphone array, and I want to run statistics across all 6 mics. Let's take a look at the statistic steps for my sequence here. There's a couple of new features. You can now apply a search range to eliminate certain ranges from your statistical analysis. Let's exclude the low frequency points that might be outside the range of the speaker. Let's just do that now, and I'll set it from 80 Hz to 20 kHz. Another useful new feature is that you can now drag and drop curves and groups of curves from the memory list. So here I'll bring over the group of responses from my 6 microphones. Now, if you are more familiar with our older versions, you'll notice that I now have a new option, Perform Offline Statistics, available right here in the step editor. This is all the statistics functionality that used to only be available offline in earlier versions, but now you can run it directly in a sequence. Let's select this. Now you can see the median function appears on the Statistics tab, and the Distribution tab is enabled, giving us access to the best and worst fit options and histogram output. You can also apply a custom name to your statistical data. We'll have it run a full set of statistics including maximum, minimum, mean, standard deviation, median, and best fit to average. Offline statistics reset after each sequence run, so that rather than running across sequential sequence measurements, it will run across responses acquired from multiple signal paths, such as here where I'm using a microphone array. I already dragged over the RTA responses for the 6 microphones, so let's run the sequence and see how it processes the data. On the upper left, we have the RTA spectrums from the 6 mic array. The bottom left is the maximum, minimum, and mean. Here on the upper right, we have the plus and minus 3 sigma and median curves. The bottom right are the best and worst fit to average curves. We can see that the best fit is the RTA spectrum from mic 4, and the worst fit is from mic 1. Also remember that we applied an 80 Hz to 20 kHz search range to the analysis to exclude the low frequency portions of the RTA curves that are outside the normal operating range of the speaker, so they're not influencing the statistics results. The statistics module is included in all SoundCheck configuration packages, so if you have SoundCheck 23, check it out.